Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to use Erasmus Distance Calculator. If you're new to Erasmus Plus world, what you might have encountered is while working on your application form, you are asked to calculate the travel grant based on Erasmus Distance Calculator. From the very beginning, I must warn you that using Google Maps won't help you. They require exactly this tool, and distances there, by the way, can be different from Google Maps. Still, this is what we are going to use when working for a youth exchange or a training course, or even writing a key to small-scale application form. Where to find Erasmus Distance Calculator? It is on Erasmus Plus, EC Europe, EU, in resources and tools, and I'm going to give you a link under this video. And it just has a name, Distance Calculator. The application is very simple, and basically it consists of a map, and then there is a starting point and an end point. What is important is that it's not designed for individuals to use it. It's not that you have participants and they go to Distance Calculator and calculate how much money they should have for their traveling. It's designed for organizations on the planning stage of their, for example, youth exchange. How to use it? So imagine that we have a Czech partner that is located in Brno. So in the start point, I will put the hometown of the sending organizations. So basically, I'll just type here Brno and choose Brno from the list. Our youth exchange will be happening in Ravnogor. So I will be typing Ravnogor. So what is important here? You don't type where your office is located. For example, Synergy Bulgaria is located in Sofia. Still, our youth exchange is happening in Ravnogor. I will put the venue of the youth exchange. In total, I will get here 1,005 kilometers. But what does it mean? In order to discover what's the travel grant, you will need to go to the program guide, and I already opened it here so you can see the table. And it has different travel bands and standard travel and green travel. So 1,000 kilometers will be lying in the travel band between 500 and 2,000, and will end up in 275 euros or 320 euros for green travel. Green travel means traveling by means of transport except for taking a plane. So it can be a train, a bus, a car, a motorbike. It is all valid. And in this case, participant will get more money. I mean, of course, based on the real cost, but can get reimbursed up to 320 euros. And also, if in standard travels there are 2 travel days maximum, here it could be 4 travel days maximum. That's the difference. So here how it goes. Imagine that we have a group of 5 people coming from Czech Republic. So I will put 275 euros per person, multiplying 5, and I will get a number which will be travel grant for Czech group. By calculating each group that participates in the youth exchange, I will have an overall travel grant, let's say, of 10,000 euros. Later on, when the project is over, you will be reimbursing participants based on their real costs. When they introduce you the tickets, and then you reimburse them. In case it happens that they spend less money, for example, the grant is maximum 275 euros, they spend 225 euros, the rest of the money, 50 euros, you can keep in the organization, and you can transfer this amount to other costs, to, for example, organizational support. For the venue or for materials or paying a trainer or entrance tickets or internal transfers. This is up to you, but this money can stay and they can go to a different unit cost. That's pretty much it. Very simple, very straightforward. Don't forget to use Erasmus Calculator because you will need there in pretty much any project. See you in the next videos.